What if you could make money online without showing your face, without any experience, and using only AI tools? Right now, thousands of people in the USA are using a simple AI website method to earn daily. Today on AI Money Mystery, I'll show you exactly how beginners are making money with AI in 2026. So here's the simple idea. Businesses in the USA need content. They need blog posts, product descriptions, social media captions, and website pages. But most business owners don't have time to write. This is where you can earn. Using AI tools, you can generate professional content in minutes and sell that content on freelancing websites. Yes, people are getting paid $20 to $100 per task just for AI-generated writing. Imagine earning that for just a few minutes of work. This is the reality for thousands of creators right now. Step 1. Pick a niche. For example, fitness, real estate, online business, or tech reviews. USA clients love niche experts. When you specialize, you become the go-to person for that industry. It builds trust and allows you to charge more. Step 2, use AI to generate content. Simply type a prompt like, write a blog post about best home workouts for busy Americans. Within seconds, AI creates a full article. It's high quality, relevant, and ready to be polished. Step 3, sell on freelancing platforms. Create a simple gig like, I will write SEO AI blog posts for your business. Upload samples, set price, and wait for orders. Many beginners get their first order within 7 days. It's about consistency. USA businesses spend billions on digital marketing. They don't care if content is written by AI. They only care about results. If your content helps their website rank, they will keep hiring you again and again. This means recurring income. Some creators are scaling this into full agencies, earning $2,000 to $5,000 per month. The potential for growth is immense. You aren't just a writer, you're an efficiency expert. You're providing value that busy owners desperately need. Here's a bonus tip. Always read through the AI content and add a human touch. It makes the final product feel much more authentic. This small step can double your client retention. Quality always wins in the long run. Also, focus on SEO keywords. If your content helps a business show up on Google, you become indispensable to them. Rankings translate to dollars. Mastering simple SEO with AI is a superpower in the 2026 market. The best part? You can start today with zero overhead, no expensive equipment, just your laptop and the right AI tools. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take that first step, pick your niche, and let AI do the heavy lifting for you. Thanks for watching AI Money Mystery. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more strategies on how to dominate the AI economy. See you next time. This is AI Money Mystery, signing off. Your future in AI content starts now. Goodbye.